In a major organizational reshuffle in Congress ahead of the Lok Sabha elections, Sachin Pilot has been appointed the All India Congress Committee AICC General Secretary in charge of Chhattisgarh. General Secretary Avinash Pandey has been appointed in charge of Uttar Pradesh, replacing Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. Priyanka Gandhi was the Congress General Secretary in charge of Uttar Pradesh, but she has now been relieved of the duty and no state has been assigned to her, triggering speculation over her role in the upcoming Lok Sabha election. Senior leader Mukul Vasnik has been given charge of Gujarat and Randeep Singh Surjewala has been appointed as Karnataka in charge. Jairam Ramesh have been appointed as General Secretary in charge of Communication and KC Venugopal will continue as the General Secretary in charge of Organization. Senior leader Ajay McCain will continue as the Treasurer for AICC. Along with 12 General Secretaries, the party has also appointed 11 state in charges. Jharkhand and the additional charge of West Bengal have been given to GS Mir. Kerala, Lakshadweep and the additional charge of Telangana go to Deepa Das Munshi. Maharashtra has been assigned to Ramesh Chenithala. Mohan Prakash will oversee Bihar. Meghalaya, Mizoram and Arunachal Pradesh will be under the leadership of Dr. Chella Kumar. Odisha, Tamil Nadu and Puducherry are assigned to Dr. Ajay Kumar. Jammu and Kashmir is now under Bharat Singh Solanki. Himachal Pradesh and Chandigarh has been assigned to Rajiv Shukla. Rajasthan will be overseen by Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa. Punjab has been assigned to Devender Yadav. Goa, Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli are now under the leadership of Manik Rao Thackeray. Tripura, Sikkim, Manipur and Nagaland have been assigned to Girish C. Andhra Pradesh and Andaman and Nicobar will be overseen by Manikam Tagore. Also, Congress MP Syed Nasir Hussain has been appointed as in charge of President Mallikarjun Kharge's office. Pranav Jha has been appointed as AICC Secretary in charge of Communications for the President's office. The party reshuffled weeks after the poll debacle in 4 of the 5 recently held assembly elections. It is viewed as Congress's revival bid ahead of the Lok Sabha elections, scheduled to be held before May 2024. The announcement comes 2 days after the Congress Working Committee meeting, which reviewed the preparedness for general elections. In a statement after the meeting on December 21, the Congress said, the CWC appreciates that preparations for the Lok Sabha polls have been already commenced, and the Congress President has been conducting state-wise reviews which are giving directions to the preparations. Along with organizational restructuring, the party is also planning multiple ground-level initiatives to strengthen the party base, including a second edition of the party's mass outreach program, Bharat Jodo Yatra.